I'm Michelle. I went from a full-time pharmacist to running a full-time coaching business. Now I teach coaches how to market theirs. This channel is for coaches who are building a coaching business and want paying clients without the complicated marketing. I make getting coaching clients simple. Yes, even for you. I'm 4 feet 4 inches tall. I walk with crutches, but I hike 26 miles of Inca Trail to Machu Picchu. And here are three things that I have learned on that trail that I use every single day in my business. One, I couldn't look at 26 miles because I'll be quitting at the beginning of the trailhead. So I look at the next step, just the next one. Your marketing works the same way. Two, I had a guide who walked that trail more than 40 times. He told me exactly where to put my foot, and that's what coaches does. That's why I do here. Three. Mile three, I basically questioned every single life decision that got me there, and I almost quit, but I didn't. So that's what this channel is about, your single step every single week. So if you're new here and you're trying to figure out how to start your coaching business, I recommend that you start with the top 5 coaching niches that I have on the playlist. If you're a seasoned coach and struggling to be consistent in your marketing, then I highly suggest that you start with how I come up with endless content idea as a coach, and be sure to hit subscribe, and that's make it easy.